Hey guys, today we're going to be making galaxy jars. So you're going to need some cotton balls, some glitter, a jar with a lid, something to stir with, acrylic paint, cups for water, and some water. The first step is getting your cups and putting water in each cup. You want to fill the cups about halfway. Now we're going to start adding your paint. Each cup gets a different color, just a good amount of paint. Okay, now you're going to want to take whatever you're stirring with and mix them all up. Water and your paint aside. Okay, next you're going to take out some cotton balls and you have to unroll them. And you're going to want to do a lot. About 3 or 4 for each layer. So you're going to want to layer about 3 pieces of cotton, or how many you feel is necessary. And you want to push it down with the end of whatever you stirred with to make sure it's flat. Once you have a nice layer of cotton, you're going to take your color, doesn't matter what color, and you're going to pour slowly until you've covered mostly all the cotton. Okay, now take your stirring stick and move the cotton down and around so you get it all wet. And you can move the cotton up the sides and all around, however you would like. Now you're going to take your glitter and spread it around the outside. Once you finish that layer, you just have to repeat those steps till you get to the top of the jar. So this is my last layer. Putting the cotton in. Take my blue.
Broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round. You can't find a fighter.
Add my glitter. Put my lid on. Screw it on tight. There you go. Galaxy jar.